When you first get in, you evaluate. Normally the day before, I would check the appointment schedules to know what's coming in, to have parts available for certain jobs I know I'm going to need. Evaluate what's going on in the morning. Generally, the first hour or two of the day is spent diagnosing vehicles, writing estimates on the vehicles, getting that stuff done. And that way the advisors can contact the customers and get repairs approved, and we'll get work done on that. Generally, most of the afternoon is spent repairing the vehicles, getting the problems corrected. A lot of road testing sometimes for intermittent problems. You have to be very proficient in computers these days. It takes me 2 laptops and 1 desktop just to get the job done. The business changed a lot in the last 30 years for sure. Initially, when I first got into it, you'd actually still see carbureted cars. You'd see no electric vehicles. They didn't even exist then. It's progressed quite a bit. Safety systems, self-driving vehicles, EV vehicles. A lot of systems have changed in them. Not even close to the same business as it used to be. Requires a lot to keep up with it, a lot of training to keep up with, but I enjoy learning the new things and the new stuff and keeping up with it though. It's kind of a challenge, but I enjoy it. Got about 200 hours a year of training I do on there. And yeah, I do fly to a lot of places. Charlotte, Baltimore, New York, just in the past few months. Different training systems. I believe there's 7 GM training centers across America. And the dealership's required to keep certain people trained to certain levels. Obviously, you can't fix it, you can't sell it. That's kind of what we're into. I would very much suggest, if you can, get into a dealership education program. If you're well trained in this business, it's easily a 6-figure income, no doubt. Easily. And some people do quite a bit more. I like the business. I like the car business. I like the challenge of it. I like solving problems for people, solving problems that are oftentimes difficult. And I end up with a lot of the more difficult problems and things that less trained people are not familiar with. And I like the challenge. I enjoy it.